And next, repeater. The repeater also is a device. What it will do, it will just receive the signal and retransmit it to that destinations. So repeaters mainly used to extend the transmissions the longer distance. So more than 100-meter distance, we can use the repeater for retransmit the data. So weak signals if come means it will using the repeater, it will again retransmit generated signal and then send to that particular receiver side. It will send. There are two kinds in the repeaters. One is amplifier. It amplifies all the signals over the network. It amplifies the signal as well as the noise also. And signal repeater means it's collect the packet and retransmit the packet. So amplifiers amplify the signals and noise. Signal repeater just the packet retransmitted destination. And gateway means nothing but it will connect the dissimilar network, different networks connected by the gateway. So it establishes a connection between that local to an external network, some complexity structure, and it connects the different networks. So it is the entrance to that another network, and how it expands its functionality through the routers, and it will work as a proxy. See here first that local area network, the Ethernet traffic signals converted into that SNA system network architecture. So it's entered to the another network, so it will be converted local to converted to the traffic signals, and next the gateway routes that to the mainframe where you want to go. That mainframe server it will go. After mainframe answer it again, it will go back to the gateway that as a network architecture, and then it will be converted into the local area network. So reverse process will be. So that gateway in business route the traffic from workstation to the outside the network. So it means local to outside another network. In home means it works as the internet service provider. Internet service provider, Airtel, Vodafone, Jio, like that. It connects the user to the internet. And next, bridge. Bridge is a device. Okay, it's connected to the two LAN networks together, local area networks with the same standard but different cable. You can use it, and it works only with the medium access control addresses only. And router connect the multiple networks. Gateway connect the dissimilar networks. It connects the multiple networks, can do the different protocols. So router use the IP address only, and one network to another network it will connect that and transmitted the packets based on the IP address. Bridges support only the MAC address, route support address. So what will do the router, just forward the data packets among the networks. So router perform that traffic directing functions on the tenants. It's very small devices join the multiple networks via either wired or wireless. So these are the difference between hub and switch. hubs or actually all the networks based on the OSI model. There are 7 layers. So the first layer is a physical layer, hub based on physical layer, switch based on the data link layer, and its function is so through the central hub only all the computers was connected here is managed only the particular one computer alone data will be sent, and here data passed in that electric signal or zeros or ones because it's based on the physical layer. So data are passed on zeros or ones, but in switch it will go in a packet format. That's a frame, and it uses up to 12 ports. Right here up to multi-bridge port 48 ports, and device type is this is the passive without the software, and switches work only with software and network device, and both are used in the local area network. So how it transmits now, always performance only that floating type, but maybe broadcast sometimes it will be used in the hub, and switch only the broadcast, next only multicast if it's needed to. And next router gateway differentiation. See, both routers are hardware. It just what will do? It just forward the data packets between the computer network because it connects the more networks. And gateway is what will do is regulate the traffic between the different networks, not the same network, different. But router regulated the traffic only the same similar network. Gateway for work. And connection in one network with router. Example, 30 computers connected in one network A. So all the computers want to communicate with each other. In these situations, gateway is not required. Only the router alone enough. The 30 computers in only the particular network connection means for data transmissions only router is enough because all are dependent on one network. Connections between the different networks means this is possible with only in the gateway. For example, two networks are considered A and B network. So few computers in A and few computers on B. So one of the computers in A network is X. Okay, X want to send the data to that network B. Um, their computer is Y. You want to pass it. So here A is a different network, B is a different network. So in this way, we have to use only the gateway. So A network side there is one gateway, and B network side one gateway. So through that X can send the data to Y as well as Y can send the data to X. So here the regulations done by that traffic regulates are done by gateway.